Hey there, did you know that honey and lemon can boost your immunity by up to 50% and help you shed those extra pounds? Yes, you heard that right. Honey and lemon are not just for tea, they're powerful ingredients that can transform your health. Today, I'm going to show you how these simple, natural items can make a huge difference in your life. We all know how frustrating it can be to constantly battle low immunity and unwanted weight gain. Many of us spend a fortune on supplements and fad diets that don't really work. But what if I told you the solution could be as close as your kitchen? Honey is packed with antioxidants and has antibacterial properties that support your immune system. And lemon, it's a vitamin C powerhouse that detoxifies your body and boosts metabolism. Together, they create a dynamic duo that enhances your health naturally. So, how do you make the most of honey and lemon? Here's a simple yet effective method. Start your day with a glass of warm water mixed with 1 tablespoon of honey and the juice of half a lemon. This drink not only kickstarts your metabolism, but also keeps your skin glowing and your digestive system happy. To reap the full benefits, consistency is key. Make this drink a part of your daily routine, and you'll soon notice the difference in your energy levels and waistline. In summary, incorporating honey and lemon into your daily life is a natural and effective way to boost your immunity and manage your weight. It's simple, affordable, and most importantly, it works. Now I want to hear from you. Have you tried honey and lemon before? Share your experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my next video for more health tips. See you next time.